Buying a house versus renting in USA is one of the biggest financial decisions immigrants will make. The right choice depends on income, goals, credit, and how long someone plans to stay in one place. This video explains the real pros and cons of buying a house versus renting in the US. Hello, and welcome to the channel.
USA MONDE.
Understanding buying a house versus renting in USA. Before choosing, it is important to understand the meaning of buying and renting in the United States. Renting means paying a landlord each month to live in a property. Buying means getting a mortgage loan from a bank and becoming the owner. Now let's break down the pros and cons clearly. Pros of buying a house. 1. When paying a mortgage, part of the payment goes toward ownership. Over time, this builds equity. Equity means the portion of the home that truly belongs to the owner. Unlike rent, mortgage payments can help grow long-term wealth. 2. With a fixed-rate mortgage, the payment usually stays the same for 15 or 30 years. A mortgage gives more predictability and makes long-term budgeting easier. 3. Homes in many U.S. areas increase in value over time. This is called appreciation. If the home is sold later at a higher price, that can create profit. However, markets can also go down, so appreciation is not guaranteed. 4. Homeowners can paint walls, remodel kitchens, or build a fence without asking permission. 5. Some homeowners may deduct mortgage interest and property taxes when filing federal taxes. These savings depend on income and tax rules, so it is important to speak with a tax professional. Cons of buying a house. 1. Buying requires a down payment, closing costs, inspection fees, and moving expenses. Many lenders ask for 3% to 20% down. This can be difficult for some immigrants or newcomers. 2. When something breaks, the homeowner pays. A new roof or HVAC system can cost thousands of dollars. 3. Homeowners must pay yearly property taxes and home insurance. These costs can increase over time. 4. Selling a home takes time. If a job offer comes in another state, moving quickly can be hard. 5. Housing markets can change. During economic downturns, home values may drop. If someone needs to sell during a low market, there may be financial loss. Pros of renting an apartment. 1. Renting requires less money up front. A security deposit and first-month rent is usually enough. This helps immigrants who are still building credit history in the U.S. 2. Renting also gives flexibility. If income changes or a better job appears in another city, moving is easier. 3. Maintenance is simple. When plumbing leaks or appliances break, the landlord handles repairs, in most cases. Cons of renting an apartment. 1. Rent payments do not build equity. After many years of renting, there is no ownership gained. 2. Rent can increase each year. In competitive markets, increases can be significant. 3. There are also restrictions. Pets, guests, parking, and renovations may be limited by lease rules. Final thoughts on buying a house versus renting in the USA. Buying a house versus renting in the USA is not about right or wrong. It's about timing, stability, and personal goals. Buying builds equity, creates stability, and may grow wealth. Renting offers flexibility, lower responsibility, and lower upfront costs. Make a decision based on facts, not pressure. Thanks for watching.